Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sugar snap peas, and I have a list of specific tips and ideas for you for using sugar snap peas, so hopefully this will help you out. Why not eat sugar snap peas raw as just a simple snack? They are delicious. Try slicing them and adding them to your favorite salad for sweetness and crunch. Include them on a tray with other vegetables with your favorite dip or hummus. Or saute your sugar snap peas and top them with a little lemon zest, salt, and pepper. Try roasting your sugar snap peas. Lightly coat them with olive oil and sprinkle them with garlic powder and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Turn them once while they're roasting. Roast them until they're crisp and brown as you like. Sprinkle with a little Parmesan cheese if you want, and enjoy. Add them to your favorite stir fry. Stir fry sugar snap peas with shredded carrots, onion, garlic, salt and pepper, and a little tamari. Serve over cooked quinoa and then top with a little lemon juice or white wine vinegar and toasted pepitas. Try adding sugar snap peas to your favorite stir fry noodle dish. I do hope this helps you out. Bear in mind this list is long. I've got more tips to come in a part 2 video. And the link to that is below. So make sure that you watch both of those videos so that you can get the entire list. I do hope this helps. Take care. Bye for now.